Welcome everybody to this video. In this video we're gonna go to the dashboard. So in order to go to the dashboard you need to go to your control panel. So you logged into your Green Backend hosting package, and then you go to the control panel. So you can go to the control panel by going to the WordPress admin from your control panel. You open it up and you logged in to your WordPress. So the first thing I'm gonna do, go to the settings, and I need to change the tagline. So the tagline, the website, under the general settings. So I'm gonna use ChatGPT in order to help me out generating this tagline. So adult towing. This is the business that we have. So I need to go to ChatGPT and introduce the business. So let me introduce for you adult towing Kenner. Alright, so they're just gonna start generating some text for me. Let me help adult towing Kenner. So we are adult towing service. We are located in Kenner, Louisiana. Alright, so let me help this out. So Kenner, this is the view service area of the business. So this is inside Louisiana. Let me just New Orleans. We are in New Orleans. Alright, so let me go back to ChatGPT. I ask here the ChatGPT, I need to generate the website tag line. So I ask ChatGPT to generate the website tagline. Alright, so adult towing service, reliable roadside assistant in Kenner. So I don't need to use the word roadside. Roadside. Focus on towing instead of roadside. I asked ChatGPT to focus on towing instead of roadside. So they're gonna update it. Adult towing service, you trusted towing expert in Kenner, New Orleans. Alright, so we're gonna choose this. I also can ask him to focus on Kenner. Alright, so this is, we have adult towing service, Kenner's trusted towing expert. Alright, or we can choose this one as a tagline. So let me go back to the website, to the general settings. So this is the site title. And this is the other option, which is the Kenner's trusted towing expert. Alright, so let me choose these two options and paste them here. For the site icon, we're gonna use the one that we created. So this is the site icon. I'm just gonna choose this one, square. Alright, set it, crop it, and update the website address to use HTTPS. And then we're gonna save the changes. Alright, so I can log in. You can see the information is updated, as you can see here. Alright, this is the first step. We updated the website icon, we created the site title, the tagline, and also we updated the website to HTTPS in the address. The second step is to get started with the design process of the website. So see you in the next video.